Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hop. In today's work example, we will be looking if the point 2, comma 1 lies on the line r is equals to 3, 1 plus s multiplied by minus 1, 3. So let's start. So the very first step that we'll be doing is writing the equation in its parametric form. So we will be writing x to be equal to 3 minus s and y would be equal to 1 plus 3s. Now, we know that for the point to lie on the equation, we can say that x would be equal to 2 and y would be equal to 1. So we will equate the equations and we will get 2 to be equal to 3 minus s and 1 to be equal to 1 plus 3s. Now we'll solve both of these equations and we would get here s to be equal to 1 and here we will get s to be equal to 0. So we got basically two different answers for s is equals to 1 and s is equals to 0. So this means that there is no one value of s which can give us which if we will substitute into this equation, so we will get this point. So we know that this point would then not lie on this line, because if it would have lied on this line, then we would have got the same answer for s through these both equations. These both equations should have had been equal to each other. So because they are not and we're getting two different s, this means that the point does not lie on the equation. The point doesn't lie on the line. So yeah, that was it. Thank you for joining us. I'll see you all in the next lesson.